Unraveling the basics of pond liner in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might tickle the curiosity of not only gardening enthusiasts but anyone interested in learning the ins and outs of English vocabulary. We're talking about pond liner. So, get ready to dive in and let's make learning English a splash of fun. When we break down the phrase pond liner, we have two words that come together to form a meaning related to outdoor activities and home gardening. A pond is a small body of still water, typically one formed naturally. Now, the word liner refers to a layer or a piece of material that covers or lines something. So, a pond liner is a waterproof material that you place in a hole to make a pond. This liner keeps the water from draining into the soil. A pond liner is essential in creating a man-made pond. Without it, the water would simply soak into the earth, leaving nothing but a muddy pit. The liner acts as a barrier, ensuring that the pond retains its water and thus, its beauty and purpose. Whether it's for keeping fish, growing water plants, or simply for the aesthetic of having a water feature, the pond liner is the unsung hero of a successful pond installation. The choice of material for a pond liner can vary greatly. They can be made from plastic, rubber, or other water-resistant materials. Some are flexible and can fit into various shapes and sizes of ponds, while others are preformed into a specific shape. The durability, cost, and ecological impact of the liner are important factors to consider when someone is planning to create a pond. While the term pond liner is quite specific, it can be used metaphorically to discuss anything that acts as a protective barrier. For instance, you might hear someone say, "Good insurance acts as a pond liner against financial losses." This showcases the versatility of English phrases and how they can be adapted to different contexts. And there you have it, folks. A quick yet thorough dip into the meaning of pond liner. Whether you're planning to build a pond or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding phrases like this can be incredibly useful. We hope this video has lined your learning path with new insights. Keep practicing, and until next time, happy learning!